A Landscape with Coconut Trees by Makarand Joshi. Hi, and welcome to my channel Makarand Joshi Painting. This is a demo of a watercolor landscape. This video narrates how to paint watercolor landscape, and I have used wet in wet technique predominantly for most of the area and for most of the time. I have used violet, raw sienna, raw umber, ultramarine blue, cobalt blue, chrome green, lemon yellow, Indian yellow, and burnt sienna. Enjoy the process. We start painting by firstly drawing, followed by painting the background, a bigger area first. As already mentioned in the intro, I have used wet in wet technique most of the time and at most of the areas, as it remains the most widely used technique in watercolor. So now we can see the first type of contrast I have used in this painting. The temperature of colors. Cool colors you will find mostly in the background, and the warm colors are either in the middle ground or in the foreground. So it's the temperature of colors, cool colors against warm colors. This is a type of contrast I have used. Well, by the temperature, I mean the visual temperature, the type of feeling you get, warm or cool feeling. So that kind of temperature of colors, not the real temperature. Of course, this is a cold press paper, and of course, I'm using a room temperature water to paint. Watercolor spreading on wet paper. Simply beautiful. Beauty in simplicity. Which part of the painting or the process you like the most? Please share in the comment box below. So here I am switching from a round sharp brush to a broad flat brush. Well, when I paint, it's pretty common to keep juggling between different brushes, mop brush, a flat brush, a round brush, a sharp tip brush, and so forth and so on. So I just keep juggling between different brushes. So again, those magical moments, special watercolor effect, colors blending and mingling into each other very softly. While painting this area, I'm also thinking about this area as to how to tackle, how to paint it. A close-up shot of the bright yellow house. Remember, I said warm colors for the middle ground as well as for the foreground. This house is in the middle ground. Well, the same house from a little different angle once again. Lines against masses contrast here. Painting coconut trees in the background. Once again from a different angle, a close-up shot. Cool and warm colors, light and dark colors, so color contrast and tonal contrast here. Oh, and masses versus line contrast also. A quick recap of the entire process: drawing and further stages. If you like this video and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, then please do so by hitting the subscribe button